Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have Excel and Word open. Start now. In Excel, remove stray blank rows and convert the range to a table so columns stay aligned. Once done, you can create a named range to lock the exact cells you'll link. Next, select the cleaned range or table and copy it, Ctrl+C. Make sure the workbook is saved at least once before pasting so Word can reference a file instead of unsaved temporary data. Now switch to Word and use Paste Special. Don't use a regular paste. Choose Paste Link and pick Microsoft Excel Worksheet Object so Word creates a live link back to the workbook. Once pasted, you can resize the embedded frame and format its border. Word preserves Excel formulas and formatting inside that object. Make sure the Excel file path stays unchanged if you want automatic updates. If you need the table to flow with text, change layout. Finish by saving both documents in the same folder so relative paths are simpler. To verify, change a value in Excel and return to Word. If links are set to update automatically, the pasted object will refresh. Otherwise, use Update Link or the Links dialog under File or Edit Links. If the data doesn't update, check the Excel file path, enable automatic link updates in Trust Center, or reopen both files. One key tip: broken links often mean the source file moved. Restore the original path or relink the object.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.